Diving into the world of Forex trading can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. When I first began exploring this vast market, I realized quickly that having a structured approach was essential to avoid getting lost in the sea of information out there. If you're in the same boat, here's how I found my footing and started trading with confidence. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. The first step for me was education, lots of it. I devoured every book I could get my hands on, with Currency Trading for Dummies being my trusty guide. Online courses and webinars became my new best friends, helping me understand the basics of Forex, technical analysis, and the often confusing world of market terminology. If terms like pips, leverage, and spreads sound foreign to you, don't worry, they did to me at first too. But trust me, the more you learn, the more everything starts to click. Once I had a good grasp on the basics, choosing a reliable broker was my next move. This part can feel a bit daunting. After all, you're trusting them with your money. I spent time researching different brokers, looking for one that had a solid reputation, excellent customer support, and a platform that was user-friendly. A demo account was a lifesaver here. It allowed me to practice trading with virtual money, get comfortable with the platform, and test out strategies without the fear of losing real cash. Speaking of strategies, developing a trading plan was a game changer. I took some time to set clear goals. What did I want to achieve? How much risk was I willing to take? Having a plan made me feel more in control and less likely to make impulsive decisions. I can't stress enough how important risk management is. Knowing exactly how much I was willing to risk per trade and sticking to that saved me from some potential disasters early on. Practicing with a demo account wasn't just about getting used to the platform, it was about refining my strategy. I started keeping a trading journal, jotting down each trade, why I made it, and what the outcome was. This habit helped me see patterns, both in the market and in my own behavior, and it's something I highly recommend. When I finally felt ready to transition to a live account, I did it cautiously. I started small, trading with an amount I was comfortable with. I stuck to my plan, no matter how tempting it was to go off script, and I kept my emotions in check. That's easier said than done, especially when a trade doesn't go your way. But discipline is key in this game. What I've learned is that Forex trading isn't something you master overnight. It's an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Staying informed about global economic news and events became part of my daily routine because these things can drastically impact the market. Regularly reviewing my performance and tweaking my strategy as needed helped me improve over time. One of the most valuable things I did was join a community of other traders. Engaging in online forums and social media groups introduced me to a wealth of shared experiences and tips that I wouldn't have found on my own. It's reassuring to know that others have faced the same challenges and found ways to overcome them. Forex trading is a journey, and like any journey, it's filled with ups and downs. But with the right approach, patience, and a willingness to learn, you can find your footing and start trading with confidence. If I could do it, so can you.